Every day, millions of toothbrushes are discarded, contributing to the staggering 25 billion plastic waste generated worldwide. This phenomenon occurs when the disposable nature of modern toothbrushes is overlooked, leading to a massive environmental burden. Toothbrushes are a tiny, seemingly insignificant part of our daily lives, but their impact is substantial and long-lasting. For centuries, humans have used various tools to clean their teeth, from twigs and sticks to modern electric toothbrushes. The earliest recorded toothbrush-like device dates back to ancient China, around 600 BC, made from boar bristles attached to a handle. However, with the advent of plastic, toothbrushes became disposable and cheap, leading to an explosion of waste. But that's not the strangest part. The average toothbrush is used for only a few months before being replaced. It's like throwing away a new, expensive gadget every few months, which is precisely what we do with toothbrushes. Imagine if you spent $10 on a toothbrush, only to discard it after a few months. It would be outrageous. Yet, millions of people do exactly that, contributing to the staggering 25 billion plastic waste generated worldwide. Every day, millions of toothbrushes are discarded, contributing to the staggering 25 billion plastic waste generated worldwide. What comes next? Making reducing the amount of toothbrushes from plastic sustainable waste in materials landfills, like bamboo and recycled plastic. These eco-friendly toothbrushes are made from renewable resources and are biodegradable, significantly reducing waste.
For instance, a bamboo toothbrush can be composted after its lifespan, reducing the amount of plastic waste in landfills.
In contrast, traditional plastic toothbrushes take hundreds of years to decompose, harming our environment and wildlife. The impact of this switch to sustainable toothbrushes is significant, as it reduces plastic waste and promotes eco-friendly practices. However, the shift to eco-friendly toothbrushes is not without its challenges, such as higher production costs and limited availability. But then something unexpected happened. Innovative companies began to develop toothbrushes with replaceable heads made from sustainable materials. These innovative toothbrushes allow users to replace the head, reducing waste and the need for new plastic toothbrushes. For example, the brush with bamboo toothbrush has a replaceable head made from bamboo, significantly reducing waste.
This phenomenon occurs when companies prioritize sustainability and eco-friendliness in their product design and manufacturing processes. As a result, the demand for sustainable toothbrushes is growing, pushing companies to adopt more eco-friendly practices. But that's not all. Some companies are now also developing toothbrushes with advanced features like built-in timers and UV sanitizers.
These high-tech toothbrushes not only promote good oral hygiene, but also reduce waste by increasing the lifespan of the toothbrush. The impact of this shift to high-tech, eco-friendly toothbrushes is substantial, as it promotes better oral health and reduces waste. In conclusion, the humble toothbrush has a significant impact on our environment and our daily lives. By switching to sustainable toothbrushes, we can reduce plastic waste, promote eco-friendly practices, and improve our oral health. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and hit the like button to support our channel. Want more mind-blowing facts about sustainable living? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery and exploration.